Same more people. Same more. Second video, starter. Here you go, compressor running. Around there you can see paint towering going through the air. We get a little more closer. You don't feel like you come out here for protection, you know. Cause this damn idiot barely want to kill people. Why the road block up people? Get the door open so you can faint it, people. Alright, see now, people. Patrick Allen killing me as usual, people. You know, like it, I put up a video with each other camera in front of my camera, just pissing and shitting on behind that car. I'll put it up yet. Just look, people. I can start coming up here and behind it. Too much stupid people here. And they could duck down behind these cars and all kinds of things. Oh yeah, ducking down now. Pollution, people. Road siege, breath siege, whole day, whole night, same bullshit. Patrick Allen killing me. I gotta go back from here. You fucking thing came through there licking me down, wherever you spraying in there. Licking me down, people. Go back off. From there, I can blow all in my house, all in my throat. All day, same thing. Right, people? I work Chris Gibbs on the Barbados Labour Party allowing. Like, first thing I could do is take out the phones, but can't do nothing about it. Anyways, to come out empty-handed. I can start coming out here empty-handed. I tired of showing one of this here, people. Bullshit from the BLP all the time. BLP party. My flashlights there free. Burn car that killed the neighbor. He no improvement since he went court there on the 12th. Put that to block out my camera. Ain't ways to come out here on the night no more. Day and all night. Ain't ways to come out here behind the people. Right. Money grant the usual boy. Trying to so bracket that. Trying to bracket that damn trophy. I try and go and bring a plaque here in ground. Dumbass money grant. Don't do that for your never do that for your Patrick Allen killing me at this hour. Which means somebody else in there spraying some cunt can out in there. People, don't worry. Chain's gonna come dry. Chain's gonna come dry. All he doing, he can't go down Robert Street and do nothing there he doing, you know. Can't go in Gills Road, Greenfield and do it. Block the road. Can't park the car on people's side no more. Every day the same bullshit from Chris Gibbs. That's why you gonna kick your ass as they like people up. I gotta put flashlights so you can come out here and video he. You wanna do it in the dark. You will do anything. Whole day near kill people. Then my second video today started thing. So I don't know when I get 4 videos tomorrow. Cause you same bullshit gonna happen tomorrow. Patrick Allen can't kill. That's all he doing. When he got the gall today that tell me something can out here. When he can't point and show me his house. I stepped in the road at home. But he telling me a bunch of bullshit. That's why you gotta count there, God bless, I can't self-defense. Because them always got a million weapons out there. Always got hammers in a hand, all kind of bullshit. So anyways to go out there empty-handed. Done attack my life too much times. Serial killer Patrick Allen. That's why you can't got 3 and 11 o'clock and 10 o'clock no more upon the night. Because you know them floodlights there gonna make you look bad. But before 8 o'clock good, you gonna walk around and hide. But listen, this man's got all there whole night, you know. He was caught, saw, burn, and prepare. Then upon the night, going there playing, he's silent. That ain't doing the rest by hand or saying, and killing you with the same pollution. Where is polyfiller? Where is I've been screaming your thing to kill you? Where is the fire or the fire what's called from the McWeather machine? Sulfur. The potty that uses polythene. Can't the thing. Every day he want like go in the atmosphere. Every day. Damn idiot. I got to talk for me that coming out here to video who got my house polluted. This boy is going to get to the end of my road with this here, you know? Damn idiot. See these corner limbs here? Come off the place. Go another one there for my place. You throw 1 or 2 over there. When you look at them there, they coming back over here. I look at them no more. I know the difference from my limbs from them, because my limbs is clean up. Their limbs don't clean up. He was forced to do it. Same day he went court, he out here with a big Jeep. He out here with a white van. Packing it with stuff. First time you ever clean that corner lens for top of any life is this week. Cause he highlight it on camera. All he got to do is drop in the damn canal. I don't move, just bring them and pedal them here. Then 1 or 2 that he got on behind there, you can see. Then going back out there. Are you sure they come off of that tree or wherever to do it there? All that tree clean up. Wherever that engine lens boat there, are you sure the green one that on my fence gone there? Are you sure that come from boat there? But when you look at the other 1 or 2, you can tell the big difference. Where he's curing them trees. Then he want to be back out here at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning and pollute the place before he even get the trees climbed. And he gonna pollute it whole night silent. Damn idiot. Put my face on it. I don't know who burning them to the state. The King of Kings. All night talking away. He blasted paddy in my throat. In my house. Can't go out of my rascal bathroom. Pipe and bed and say, I got a little fresh water through my throat. It got last not even a second. Even under the water, he's saying bullshit. This idiot polluting the neighborhood every day. Got your children, but here shouting down behind there. Now look, the same corners that I showed earlier gone. Same corners the shirt alongside of the guy drink. The guy drink the same shitty grass so corners. Damn idiots. He don't have piss alongside or shit alongside you. And then he out there banging upon cars. He don't ain't got a toilet to pee in. But when I know. And they don't put the shitty videos on the internet, you know, people. Well, I'm going back inside, man. I can't out there. They walking out there with my sword on my shoulder. Because I can't trust him out there. He got everything blocked up. Everything. That'll be all there blocked for purpose. Because he know that he walking coming through there. So that's why the government road block. The public road. Not the government road. But it's a shitty government. That's why he got to block up. He don't fall coming. King signing out to burn to the state. They're burning them next week. Cruel. Hold on, man. He just gave me these 1 or 2 to make them better. Damn idiot. Your dirty daughter on camera. Going worldwide. When I want a dirtiness. King signing out.